like it?
To what person?
Oh. You coughing? Sorry.
Oh, yes, there.
Okay. Drive again. Where's the remote? Over Sabi. Oh, yeah, put it. Drive it. It's shocking now. Now make her come on. You know, so she not applaud again. Hey guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is Tuesday, which is 3 days after our birthday. 3 days after our birthday. Stop. That's not nice. No, don't do that. Stop. This is 3 days after our birthday. We're very, very busy. And I've not picked up my phone to record anything. Even yesterday, I went to braid my hair. You can see, I went to braid my hair because school has started today. So yeah, and let me show you some of the gifts that Aliana got for her birthday. I'm going to unbox them, but I just want to show you guys the gifts, how much they are. So those are all the gifts. Not too much, yeah. I'm going to unbox them. This one and this one. So I'm just going to unbox them later. Our dad gifted her this one. This is a car. Lamborghini, and my baby girl is enjoying it. I'm going to put it in my next vlog. I'm going to put a video of her inside the car. She's enjoying it really well. I'm very, very tired and hungry. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Just came back from work and I made my hair yesterday, which is August September 1st, which is Labor Day. Today is the September 2nd. So our school started today, so I made my hair and so nice. See, so pretty. It took them 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 hours to do this. Because they started at 2. To them 6 hours. So I just want to quickly make sharp egusi soup. Concussion egusi soup. That's what I'm craving. I'm going to add this crumbs. I'm going to add this dry fish. I'm going to add fresh fish. Some cow skin. I don't know. There's no cow skin here. Yeah. Maybe cow skin. I think they should have cow skin here. I don't know if I have cow skin. And then, yeah, that's the only thing I'm going to use to cook. I thought there was cow skin in there. No cow skin. I want a cow skin there. Let me see if I can get some from my freezer. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm back to vlogging. Go look at my madam. Guys, look. Aliana, what are you doing? Let me focus on her. Ali. Aliana, say hi. Ali, say hi. Say hello. Hello. She's just busy playing, and I want to quickly make this food. Yes, Ali. Yeah, Dada. Yeah, Dada. Yeah, Dada. Yeah, Dada. See ya, Dada. Go see. Ali. Liana. Aliana. Your Dada is back. Your Dada. Your Dada. Your Dada. Let me see if I have cow skin in the freezer. Guys, I have some. Our father is here. Go. Come to your father. Now, in America, there's no help. In diaspora, no help. You do it yourself. I just came back from work and I'm very tired. I still have to cook. This mama, they never boil them. Oh God! Before this one go done today, let me just put everything. Also, I always like to have my food already, my meat already cooked. You made a mess here, Aliana. Come and clean it. Come here.
Walk away. That was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. Whoa, survive. I need you to survive.
Which one? Hey guys, we are here. Yeah, I know this one. We're here to get sneakers for the kids for their birthday. See this New Balance. Nice. We don't even know which one to get. We need Samba. I think we'll go opposite. We're celebrating Nathan's birthday, so we're here to get her his gifts. And I will get Aliana's gifts for her birthday. I didn't get it yet. I'll get that today. Guys, we just finished from work. Not finished, we had to leave early because tomorrow is Nathan's birthday. So yeah. This is nice. We want Samba, but we're not getting Samba. I don't know. We're gonna go to the other location across. Okay, guys, we found this one. This is what size? This size is 6.5, guys. I need 5. Yeah. I want the Samba 6 for this color. Size 6. Guys, we got our gifts for the kids. Right here. How do you feel? Your baby's tomorrow turn 1.
So happy, a lot of emotions running in, man. You guys just won't understand.
Yeah, Nathan turns 1 tomorrow. Tomorrow is a big day. Yeah, tomorrow is the old one day.
The story is long. And my sister will always say it's been God.
God, yeah.
It can only be God.
Yeah.
That's all I have to say. Bye guys.
All right.
See you guys later.
Hey guys, we want to go finish our shopping for the day.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry.
Sorry.
Bye guys, we want to go finish our shopping for the day, okay? I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Yeah. Let's go.
A lot to do.
A lot to do.
Don't mind my sweater and don't mind my hair.
We have a lot to do.